Mawrusyiar Youth and Cultural Clubs presents Golden Mosh. Featuring Dimple, Marweiñ, Freemen, Josafin, Lyngdoh, Nonglait, Josephas, Thongni, the best flute player, Batlador, Khongnoh, the one and the only metalcore, hard rock and heavy metal band from Nongwan, the Thunder's Cave. Last but not least, the hard rock fusion bands that had been seen in music scenes for many years now, the Snow White. January 6, 2024 at Mawrusyiar Youth and Cultural Club's football playground. Gate open at 3 p.m. Media button, D7 News and Batisi TV. Tap your feet and sway with the beat.
Halen tiang kisur, spice, yau, dah jangan kau mai